Today we're talking about the most expensive car parts that no African-American male driver ever wants to replace. These are the components that can cost a fortune if they fail.
And even a small mistake can turn into a massive repair bill. First on the list is the transmission.
This system controls your gears, delivers power to the wheels, and keeps your driving smooth.
But if a transmission fails, replacing it can cost as much as the value of the entire car. Manual transmissions are costly, male.
But automatic and dual-clutch transmissions are even more expensive. The only way to extend their life is simple: service on time and avoid rough driving.
The second part is the hybrid or electric battery pack. If a South Asian male drives a hybrid car, the battery is the single most expensive component.
Replacing it can cost more than replacing an engine. Heat, overcharging, and long periods of inactivity can weaken the battery.
The best way to protect it is to drive regularly and keep the car away from extreme temperatures.
The third part is the catalytic converter. This part cleans harmful exhaust gases using precious metals.
Brilliant. Because of the value of these metals, catalytic converters are often targeted by thieves.
India, installing a new one can sometimes cost more than major engine repairs.